Едешь.
Okay. Oh!
This biker might have felt completely helpless. Probably busy with something else, the driver in the back ended this rider's ride in a spectacular way.
Whoa. So the driver in the back just smashed him. I want to point out one thing, though. I want to point out this right here. Positioning for safety. This is a bad spot. Or not bad spot. This is a bad situation. But, and we can't see what happened behind us. But if it's a big vehicle, because obviously wasn't paying attention, could be big, could be a car, whatever it was. The simple fact that we are positioned in a lane filtering position, because this is how I positioned before I was able to lane filter in Arizona. That when we got hit, we moved forward. If we were right behind this vehicle, we would have been sandwiched and pancaked and probably dead. Like we would have been, yeah, depending on the size. So the fact that he had an escape to be pushed into probably saved his life. So I try to look at the silver lining here. He would have been sandwiched.
Ты их объедешь.
I mean, look at the force. Look at the force getting launched forward. Imagine the force getting launched forward, hitting the back of the black car right here on this side, but also that vehicle going into him. He would have been pancaked. Position for safety. Position yourself for safety right here. You have an escape, so if you were able to pay attention, you can probably accelerate through. You're going to hit that, though. That's too narrow for even his bike, but there it is. Wow.
На уровне зеркал газелек. И хрен ты их...
It's kind of rare. It's kind of rare because he got hit hard. And then he actually went forward a little bit more because he probably lost and gave it a little bit of throttle.
Something else, the driver in the
Lost
back
control.
ended this rider's ride in a spectacular way.
Wow. Got lucky.
Молодец, ты же стоял.
Got so lucky.
Ты поехал. Блядь, ты мне всю машину.
And he positioned himself in a way that would have happened versus getting sandwiched.
Твоя машина.
Pancaked.
Ты меня за машину делал. Машину, блядь, жалко. Он стоял.
Okay, let's move on. All right, here we go. 2 wheels plus 2. Interesting. Okay. Somebody's moving over. We moved over. Good job. Good job. That was good. So we're coming up to here. We see the person moving over. We don't like that. We're going to move over too. It looks like they were going to want to move over to another lane so that they could probably get in that turn lane, but they recognize. So if that happens, you either continue moving over or you apply the brakes and let them go. But handled this really well. Really well. Did a little head shake. That's cool. The Lone Wolf rides. Okay, here we go. We're side by side. Remember, we're group riding with cars, so we want to try to be as staggered as possible, but did a great job once recognizing that vehicle is going to come over. Applied some good progressive braking. Now, why would that vehicle want to move over? Well, we're kind of in a blind spot. Maybe they didn't check, whatever it was, but they saw that the vehicle in front of us was moving faster than the vehicle in front of them. So then they're like, let's go ahead and go this way. I was making sure that I was not drawing something else. But yeah, they wanted to move over into the faster lane. Here we go. Adrian Thompson. Okay, going on some rough roads, blind corners. Hopefully nobody's going to come around the corner themselves, but we lost a little traction, hit a rock, bounced around. Direct steering kind of got us. Not a big deal. It's kind of what we're here for. We're going to pick up our bike. We got some crash guards. Hopefully it's protected. Hopefully we're not injured.
Oh, sheep.
Hello, sheep. What do we got here? What do we got here? Is that a camera?
I got one good thing today.
Hey, little guy. Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck.
Hopefully.
Oh, that's so nice. There you go. Get out of there, little guy. And get stuck into that one right there. You ever seen that one where they get like a sheep out of like a ditch and then it runs and jumps right back in? All right, driving at 100 What was that? Let me read that. Let me read that. I can barely driving at 100 kilometers per hour with a 2-ton trailer attached to my this moron blocks the road to let his friends onto the highway. He's lucky I didn't T-bone him. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I mean, sometimes these people can't stop in time, especially when it's not anticipated. This is something that a lot of group rides do, and that's fine, but if you're going to be the person that does it, have some lights or be a little bit more visible from a longer distance. Dude, look at this last guy. Make a wider turn. Got so lucky. No, practice your tight turn from a stop, everybody. Guys, grab a training drill booklet. You can practice your parking lot drills. Come on, practice your skills, practice your tight turns, figure eights, U-turns, so that you don't go wide like that. That was ridiculous. That's the exact reason why we practice those things. So when it comes time to do it on the road, it's second nature. All right, here we go. The Joker. Oh, got an Indian Scout. Well, there's got to be something with his suspension if it's not handling these roads very well. And this is a transition from this kind of surface to this surface. And a lot of people say like, well, the grooves in the road cause that, but I've never really had that issue. So it's it could either be a tire or a suspension issue. If he's getting wobbles on that, and then once again on this, there might be something with his suspension and tires. All right. Careful. Careful. You don't know what's on the other side. Your line of sight is obstructed when that person does that. Like, you don't know if there's another car behind that person. So slow it down. Relax. Relax. What's on the other side, right? You don't know. It's not a big deal. Not a big deal. Oh, then look what we're about to do. All right. Okay, merged into either, I wouldn't accelerate because you have vehicles up front, but apply some brakes so that they can get in. Not a big deal. Yeah. Angry cops chase me down. All right, did you stop at the stop sign? That's a rolling stop. That's a dead end to the right. Hanging out with your buddy. Okay. What happened here?
A little shifty because that car was coming around.
I know.
This girl, I've seen this girl drive.
We're not seeing what happened before.
She's gonna stop us.
Why? Why would she stop you? Why do you have that thought process? I don't have that thought process when I'm driving or riding.
Bro.
When I see cops, I'm not like, oh, we're in trouble here.
It's right there, bro.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
we're done for, bro.
Are we?
Yeah.
If you feel like you did something wrong, you probably did for the most part.
Walking us in right now.
They are blocking.
And you shouldn't have that emotion. I get it though. It's a learned lesson.
Waiting. They're waiting.
But
You think?
Yeah.
No.
No.
just wait until she tells you what's going on.
Yeah.
If you didn't do anything wrong, you're like, okay, so what's the problem? But if you're like, I think that we're in trouble, and then you get stopped, it's because you probably did something.
Oh.
Side stand, a little nervous. You almost ate it.
Just riding around.
The registration insurance for motorcycle?
I mean, I
Supposedly you're going a little fast and everything.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No,
Just
because
admit it to
you
it. Don't admit.
over And you diverted into the street.
But I was over the hill. I didn't
Group
even.
of people and you both sped into here.
we're not with those guys.
We're not with those guys though.
But you already admitted that you were going a little fast.
You can't be doing that stuff.
I-
Just don't admit.
Sorry.
People are gonna call,
It's like, what are you talking about?
like people did.
Because I've seen her like multiple times.
No, you do what you
You
want.
guys up at Target Rock?
Just be nice. Do it with a smile.
Yeah, we were with a bunch
Don't be
of
arguing with
cruisers
her.
and all that stuff, and yeah.
This is not the place to be speeding around. Our speed limit's 35. You know what I mean? We try to tell all the motorcyclists too. This is not
Yep.
the place to be.
Not the place to be.
Yeah. So what's the problem?
Just riding,
You know the speed limit here?
kind of.
Take the helmet
Oh,
off.
Sergeant came out. He's not happy. Few speeding tickets. What about just one? Thank you so much, MotoStars, for putting out these videos. But yes, make sure you guys check out the shop. We have things on sale right now. But with that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and see you on the next one.